On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, Otter gang? Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin going to the moon. I don't know. Seems a little fishy to me. We got our opium slippers on. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we're all doing well. It is a beautiful Thursday. We do have some beautiful hardcore inflation data today. We are having a jolly good time this week, kicking ass, taking names, making lots of money. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Let's go. My God, what a week so far, man. We've been absolutely kicking this market's butt, man. My God, what's going on, gang? Good to see you all in here. Thank you for being here. Good morning to all of you guys. Chill Hills, Jesse, Quick Smoker, Dusty, Daran, Rajaj, HFG. What's going on? Sean Behringer, Frost, Albert Raja, Guk, Chili's, Chantel, Alexandra G, gang. Let's go. Down then up, CPI. We'll see. We got that. I like how they call it CPI. I just like calling it hardcore inflation. We'll see how it goes. We got that at 27 minutes. 27 minutes, okay? Down then up. I would expect down. We got our good old friend Bart here. Our friend Bart here. Mr. Simpson wanting to come down in here. We'll see. However, up only, baby. Look at this thing. It's pumping already. Look, I haven't even done anything. Look, I didn't even say go yet. Look at this, battling in here, getting a little bit of volatility. You guys enjoying the volatility, or is it a little bit too much for you? Is it like this is like TikTok with like 3x voice on, like, right? Yeah, I went there. It's already too early for that kind of stuff. Good morning, Cam. Good morning, Andrew. Andrew Cameron. I didn't mean to do that. Oscar, what's going on? Donato Cabrera, Unholy Audio. Tony Zabrano. Yeah, we're gonna have to be patient here, everybody. It's Darth Mauling, and it isn't even the news data yet. Okay, Patrick Saad, good morning to you. Good to see you. Seymour Liddy, Cam S, Ace Winner, Vladimir, Crypto Rob, John Foster Crypto, Remo, what's going on? Roof Flop, Tanvir, Jay Violet, what's going on? Roof Flop, Daniel Ghazi, French Toaster, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Rowley, good morning. What the heck is going on right now? Did Donald Trump fart? My God. Good morning, Al Jr. What's going on? Gang, gang, gang. How's your money tree? Is it growing? I'm having honestly, the last 2 months of trading have been probably my best ever. Pretty wild. Sibel, Janner, JR, what's going on? French Toaster, Donato, BC, good morning to you. Maureen in the house. What's going on, Maureen? Good to see you. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Look at all these absolute legends in the chat. Call me Dave. What's going on, Dave? Good to see you, Paul Caruso and the gang. Let's see what the Orange Man does today. Yeah. It doesn't stop, Paul. It's just constant stimulus here. It's like stimmy checks, except it's volatility, baby. What's going on? Lorelei, good morning to you. Lorelei bought the bottom. Good job, Lorelei. Congratulations. Part of the gang, part of the family. God bless you. Good to see you, Dave, J Violet, Sonny. Defiant gang. What's going on? What's going on? A little bit of a VWAP slap here, and then down we go. We'll see where we get to here. Joel Vasquez, Ace Winner. I pulled my long out when you said better not be greedy last night. Then I shorted, and then it pumped, and my profits got liquidated. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just like, you want me to click the mouse for you too? I mean, we took profits. You guys know. We took profits into the golden pocket. It retraced after that. And then, I believe that was over here. Where was that? That was over here, yeah. Up into here, hit our golden pocket right here. This was perfect. A perfect TP yesterday. Was it there or was it here? I think it was here. Yeah, we took that trade and then it dumped and then it off to the moon it went. I mean, great trading day yesterday. Magical money. Magical internet money. Looks like we're getting rugged this morning already. Jeez, that's big wick energy. This is wild. This is wild. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just saying, we're all adults. We're here to make decisions for ourselves. It's never financial advice. I mean, we were talking about proportions yesterday. If you want to take the same trades as the guy who's talking about otters and aubergines, that's totally up to you, man. Roaming Brave, good morning. Tanvir, Maba, good morning. I'm sorry for your loss, though, man. Sibel, good morning to you. French Toaster, Ando, Pancho, Daga, DT, Daniel, Gaze, Buckeye. What's going on? Revenge Trader, Farside, Moon, Crypto, Pondering. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Ace Winner. You're getting people more excited for an 80K dump. Let's go. Pump it. We got to pump it. I agree. I would like to see it pump. I would like to see it go up for everyone's portfolios, but what goes up must come down. Let's be prepared. Wagwan, AD, Hugo's, Rob S, Rashad, good morning. French Toaster, Dex, Crypto, Hodl, Crypto, Lux, Adam, JRMO, good morning, good morning. Rashad, you got rejected. We have commands, but not as many as you think now. Shamitris, good morning, good to see you. That would have been a nice VWAP slap short, wouldn't it? We don't have a poll today. What should the poll be? Maybe we'll ask the people today. What do you think the poll should be for the chat? Little rejection here coming down. Cat or dog? Maybe something like that. What do you guys think? Is there any good poll suggestions in here besides the poll? Lasers, Aaron. Are we getting it done because of the CPI data today? We'll see. I mean, we don't want it coming in too hot, right? If we're looking here, we got core inflation coming in here. So we would like this to come at 3%. 3% would be juicy, okay? 2.5 is forecasted. 2.6 is consensus. So we would like to see this come in at 2.6, okay? 2.6 and 3% is what we would like to see, in my opinion. Do we ever get what we would like to see? Very rarely, okay? So let's be prepared. Billy Baines, Guten Morgen, gang, gang, gang. Let's go, man. Honda, man. Okay, let's go. Honda Man, Lasers, Dusty, Jay Becker, good to see you. Airdropper, Buck, what's going on, my man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you as well. Did I just say don't be a dumbass without being a dumbass? Facts. Good morning, Mike Whitney. Tony Soprano. Todor, hold the door. Guten Morgen. Jesse, J Violet, Anto. What's going on, Anto? How you doing, man? Would you short Fartcoin here? You got to ask Wave Cipher. Wave Cipher has the pulse on Fartcoin, man. He must deliver the beans. Like he is our Discord manager. I don't know how you guys, I don't encourage trading Fartcoin, but my Discord seems to have found their niche into the farts. But I mean, they called the fart right at the bottom here. This is exactly why we love Fartcoin. Sorry about the flashbang. They got demand, DSFP, the breakout. I mean, you guys were all just farting around. You guys are incredible. I love to see you win, even with the gas coins. Okay. Maybe Moose, let's go. Shout out to all the Moose lovers out there. Get those legs up, gang, says Seymour Liddy. JR. Good morning, Alex. I made money with the Otter gang yesterday. God bless, JR. Hopefully you're doing well. Can you push buttons for me? I'll give you 10%-ish. Oh, man. It's stressful enough pressing my own buttons, man. Oh, man. Look at all these great people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Morning, Jason. Morning, Sharkfin. Good to see you as well. Maya, good morning to you. Up Top Shop, greetings from the Ukraine. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Herman. Ape, good morning. JR, Daniel. I thought if inflation comes in lower, equate to higher chances for rate cuts. Yeah, we want rate cuts. We want cuts, man. We want them to turn the money printer on. We want them to cut rates so borrowing is cheaper. You think it's going to go up? I think up or down, we'll make money. We'll figure it out. Right now, it's going down. We'll see. Probably come for an SFP down at the lows here. Big push yesterday. I mean, damn, Daniel. Beautiful, beautiful push here. So, breakout continuation. Very not easy. We were in shorts here, and then we had that breakout continuation in here. Wild. Absolutely wild. We were doing a live stream in here. And we're like, close your shorts. We closed our shorts, and then we wish we flipped long. We didn't. So that's okay. Looking for a retest back into previous highs here. So 80,300. Right now, we can look for a swing failure of the lows here. But this is continuation down. We had our key level last night that absolutely banged, okay, for the short. If you were part of our beautiful Discord, I was updating you like crazy. But if you go to my TA section here, up above us here, I gave you guys this sell wall that we came into perfectly. Okay, and then we got rejected down out of it. Okay, so just constant updates in the Discord. Today we got another live stream from CVO. Like it's just constant. It's fire in my opinion. I love our Discord, man. We crushing it. Who went to the Pierre rally last night? I didn't manage to get to Brampton, but let's go Pierre. If you know, you know. Lasers, what's going on? George, Gang, 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 toaster. So no suggestions for a poll. Okay. No suggestions for a poll. I can come up with something. 1 day chart. Too cold for. Yeah, it is. It is pretty chilly. Crypto Birdie, good morning. Freddie, good morning. Good morning, bro, from the Philippines. Thank you for being here, Curvin. All right. I'm going to be one of those lame YouTubers who have lame polls. Okay. Adam Cohen says, best Discord, hands down. Good morning, Alex O. Good morning, Adam. Thank you for being here, bro. Defiant says, most of the existing rates were agreed at the end of World War II in the USA, untouched country. They have been unfair and needed updating for decades. Yeah. Do a poll on what we should do for a poll, says Paul Caruso. I love you, bro. Too good. Too good. Rolling over here a little bit. Trying to hold. So sweep of the lows, value area low just below us here of the range. Also have the retest of previous highs. So if we're going to roll, I would look for here for a bounce. We have some big resistance, big daddy support and resistance. Okay, so we were looking at this yesterday as resistance. We had an S&P flip, continuation into our sell wall, which was lower. Okay, this box was lower. Perfect rejection, retest, continuation down. Now we are chopping. VWAP's acting as resistance right now. So we can see it's clearly acting as a resistance. So we would like to see the flip there and then the flip here as well. Okay. I would like to see some sort of bull div in here to give us, 3 drives even. That would be cool. A little bit of patience will prevail here. We'll see how the price behaves. Very volatile. Okay. It's the volatile world right now. Orange man coughs. Market jumps. Okay. So let's just be prepared. It's going to be a fun day as usual. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We have absolutely decimated this week. We've called DeLong yesterday. It's been a fun day. This week has just been great trading. Okay. Got a little bit of an issue this morning with the Discord payments. So I've emailed me6. If you locked in $30, I'm sorry that some people it jumped up to the $50 mark, the $49 mark, and I apologize. I feel terrible about it. I've emailed them. It's absolute bullshit. I mean, I'm a carpenter. I'm not good at this tech stuff, but they emailed me saying their prices would not adjust, and nobody else's has adjusted. So it's pretty annoying this morning to wake up and people are. I'm sorry about that, guys. I will try my best to get it sorted. Doesn't make me happy at all. I'll tell you that much. I hate that. Ugh. Looks like a little trigger wave trying to push up here, but I do want to apologize to you guys, and I will do my best to get that sorted or refund or whatever the heck we need to do. But we will fix that today as well. Just a little bit of a headache, as usual. You can't always can't just trade, can you? You always gotta have to deal with the headache. Good morning, Mark. What's going on, man? Tony Soprano, Lasers, Mr. NJC. Good morning from the Philippines. We have a lot of people from the Philippines. Great people, man. Great people. Stream from my TV. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for being here, Adam. Little pushback here. We got hidden bull div here. Anchor trigger. Okay. Some weird candle patterns here. So we have downtrending momentum. Fake out to the upside. You can look for breakout retest. VWAP above us here, so continuing to lose VWAP, lose VWAP, lose VWAP, lose VWAP, retest, continuation down. Okay. To me, this is suggesting we sweep the lows right now. We come down into here just from price action. However, we do have a string of higher lows, but this would be a bear flag. Okay, so coming into the news, it's not something that I just want to jump on. It's just you put yourself at a lot of risk trading when news comes in, right? So not that I care what the news is. Like, obviously, we want our portfolios to go up, but at the end of the day, we just want to not be exposed. That's the word I'm looking for. Exposed. No Pant Gang. Let's go to the No Pant Gang. Greetings from London. Patrick Swayze, my man. Good to see you, bro. I'll be in England coming up soon. I'll be visiting England. I'm going to see my wife's British, so we're going for a wedding, and they get to call me Nambe Pambe. Do we have any other Brits in the chat? Would you like to be recognized? I would love to shout you out. Let me know. Mark Dutch Mucking, good afternoon. Good to see you, man. Donato Cabrera. Good morning from Brazil. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Please do your otter dance of downwards continuation. Oh, man. I don't know what the otter dance of downwards continuation is, but there you go. My God. Guile, good to see you. Sonny. Fellow Brit here, right here. Let's go. That's awesome. I love the Brits, man. Good people. Good people. There are some chavvy people, but, you know, council housing. That's what they call it. We call them welfare cases over here. But you get that everywhere. You get that everywhere. We love our British people, man. I mean, my wife's British. You know where my wife is from? She's from the place that no North American can say. She's from Worcester. Come to Cambridge. Okay, everybody, we're going to have a... How do you say this? How do you say this word? Okay, I want you... All right, we're going to have a fun time before we... All right, we ready? Everybody's got their tongues out, ready to say the word. How do you say this word? This is every Brit's giggle, man. Worcestershire. Let's go. How do we say this? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's a sauce. Oyster sauce. Worcestershire. Where my wife's from, man. Where my wife's from. It's Worcestershire. Okay. I watched there was actually a TikTok or something, and someone from Wash Your Sister's Sauce. Someone from Texas called it Wash Your Sister Sauce. Wash your sister sauce. Wash your sister sauce. Oh. Worcestershire. It's called brown sauce, mate. Wash your sister sauce. Anybody got any of that wash your sister sauce? How about you guys tell me how to say this? Welsh city, okay? All right, we got a Welsh city. Okay. It's a go-go-cha, okay? This is the better one. All right. We got a good one here. There's a Welsh city. It's called Leffen Wigan Pigan a go-go-go-go-cha, okay? I can't say it. But we're gonna go here. All right, here it is. We got YouTube up. We got 4 minutes till. Here's the word. If you're wondering what the word is, here's the word. This is the name of the town, okay? This is the name of the town, okay? Seriously, this is the name of the town. All right, we're going to work on this together, everybody.
Ever wondered how to pronounce the longest place name in Europe? Let's have a go and repeat after me. Llanfair pwll gwyn gill go ger y chwyrn drobwll Llantysilio go goch.
Langfair Faleg Bingi Go Gerishwim
Drobwilantis.
All right, let's go. We've had enough fun this morning. Frank Evans, I'm out. How do you say, that's my Solana address? Let's go. That's my Solana. That's my Solana address. I'm done. No. Laughen, feigen, go. Oh, shit. Good morning, Mikey. All right. Everybody send all your soul to the town. Oh man. All right, we got 2 minutes here, everybody. Good morning, everybody. All right. Oh man. Well, we filled that gap really well, didn't we, Mark? I don't know where this chat gets to sometimes, but you know what? We know how to have a good time. That's for damn sure. Okay, Bitcoin's pushing up here into news, coming up into VWAP. Mr. Piper, what's going to happen with the inflation data today, buddy? Are we going to come down or up, down, all around? Are we going to get a 3 and a 2.5? Okay, what are we going to call here? I'm going to call 3. Core inflation, I'm going to call 3. And I'm going to call inflation 2.6. I'm going to call 2.6. Actually, let's go 2.7. It's going to come in a bit hot. 2.7. All right, 2.7 is what I'm calling. What do you guys think? 2.5. I'm going 2.7. I think it comes mixed. Oh, we're pumping, baby. We're pumping, baby. The market doesn't give two smokes about the data. It's pumping already. 10 seconds. That's a liquidation grab here. We're squeezing. We're squeezing. No, do not long that. Do not long that. Please do not long that. This is a squeeze. Here we go. Dun. Oh, baby, we pumping. Oh, my God. We pumping. We dumping. We pumping. 2.4 coming in good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Coming back down. Squeezing. My God. Squeezing. 2.4 and 2.8. That's some good data. I think that's really good. I think it's good. Don't press buy just yet, please. Please, ladies and gentlemen. They are going to squeeze you. All right, we're flipping the support and resistance level. Who went long? I want to know who went long. Oh my Lord Jesus. Coming back down. Big squeeze here. Here comes the squeeze back in. This is where we can consider a long. 1 minute time frame. Squeeze back in a view app. Squeeze back in a view app. See if we can push up here. I went half a position size, not even. I went a quarter position size in here. I'm long. Quarter position size, just having a fun. All right. Just having a fun. We can add down here. Let's see if it runs away. Retesting the view app here. Stop loss to entry, guaranteed profits. See if we can have a fun here. I'll take half off if we go back up here. Nah, it's going to come back. Come on, baby. Push Bitcoin. No, we're going to get stopped out here. That's fine. Could have taken the $200 and ran. Yeah, it's not something you want to just blindly trade, okay? Just want you guys to all be safe here. It did view up slap. I'm out sell with profit. Good job. Good job, Rashad. Good morning, Wix White 589. Let's go. Let's go. Good to see you. Long. Good job, everybody. Quick profits, long. Good job. It's because of the Leffenwagen, Feigen, Gogocha town that we just talked about the Solana address. Bro, it's so funny, man. I can't believe we were talking about everybody sending Solana to Massey today. Massey, you got jokes, man. That's great. I love it. Good to see a wifey. Wifey's in the house. Let's see some wifey emojis for. That's a big squeeze, okay? So this has come back and squeezed out almost to the highs here. Okay? I'm a little hesitant to get long here. Like I said, I'd like to see the sweep down into here. Bart Simpson. It's good data. Isn't that good data there, Piper? What do you think, bud? Are you still bearish? Or are you aware-ish? We like to call it aware-ish. Because they don't want to go into stagflation, do they, Piper? That's the concern. They don't want stagflation, if I'm correct. I don't know if I'm right. I'm not a analysis in that respect. I leave that to the people who know it. Stagflation is not good, though. That's all I know. You do not want to have inflation. Inflation by design is supposed to be 2%. Good data is bad for crypto. How did the NAS react here? We got the NAS. All right. Push and dump. Okay. Rolling over here. VWAP slap at the highs. Beautiful volume coming in there. Okay. Expect it to cool off now, which is good. We want it to cool off. We don't want this kind of, I mean, it's volatile enough, man. It's so volatile that we kept sending Massey all of our Solana and he wasn't receiving it. Oh, that's how I copy and paste my address. Sorry. BloFin, Weigen, go. Kick that stag right in his. Got it too late. Lost. There was no trade there. It was mostly a joke trade, really. Nice pushback here. See if we can reclaim VWAP. Took a string of higher lows. Okay, so continuation's possible here. Still waiting here. The 3 minute. We still got higher lows in here. If we can get above VWAP and push, that would be good. Right into our resistance level, eh? Wild. What a wild day for crypto, baby. I mean, does the fireworks get any better, man? It's like nonstop. It's like going to a fireworks show and then the show just keeps going on. Encore after encore after encore. My God. We'll see how we react here. VWAP's been resistance this whole downtrend, so don't want to get too ambitious here. Did Piper give us an update? Did he tell us that we're going to go to the moon or are we going to go to the zero? Good to see a wifey. Piper's too busy in his robe. I was long before the stream started. Let's go, Marine. Good morning, Dave. Good to see you. Nice pushback here. I kind of like this pushback here. If we can get long, maybe. And try this. I'm not in yet. I like continuation off of this. This would be nice. It's that data, man. You got to be careful with the data. If we hold VWAP here, we can get long. It's got to hold. Wait for candle close. Otherwise, it's just a retest back into the order block here. Pretty good rejection. No trade. No trade. Just waiting here. Yeah, no trade. This looks like it's a rejection. Yeah, nasty candle. That's why you wait for the candle close. No trade there. Looks like a rejection, continuation down. See if we can hold this in here. On a 3 minute here. Yeah, this doesn't look good. If we can come back up and reclaim VWAP, then okay, but VWAP's acting as resistance this whole way down. We shouldn't fade that, right? This could probably come and sweep the lows. If we reclaim VWAP, we can get long. A little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 530 people here. We got some cool data or data, whatever you want to call it, coming out today. Pretty volatile. Expect a little bit of calming after this storm that we just had. Pretty wild here. Coming back up into that big resistance at 82,300. So, okay, pushing back here, trying to go. It's gotta push over VWAP, in my opinion. It's gonna chop about here. Kind of fake people out. So, a little bit of patience here. How's it going, wife? Sorry? He looks better. It's not as... His cheeks don't look as red. Okay. Yeah, he does look better, yeah. No, my son got a rash yesterday, everyone, so just monitoring him. He does look better. The back of his head looks... Yeah. Give us some time, maybe. We'll go at lunch, if anything. Okay? Okay. I love you too. No worries. He does look better, though, from this morning. Yeah. He'll be all right. Little man. Oh, the joys of being a new parent, eh? Oh, man. Yeah, he had like an allergic reaction last night. Okay, coming up to VWAP again here. Looking for follow through. Can we get follow through above VWAP? Got a nice trigger wave in here. Gotta go. It's gotta go, man. Otherwise, no go for us. No go for us. Let's see how it behaves here. Just another rejection. Okay, so breakdown, retest, continuation down. Still string of higher lows. Okay, so if it reclaims, then we can get... Not really interested in the short right here either, so a little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 520 people in here and only 130 likes. I think we could do a little bit better than that, but that's up to you guys. You guys are new here. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe. We'd love for you to hang out here, join our Discord, all that good stuff. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here. The Otter gang. Do you still hold ETH? No, we sold all of our ETH. We announced it at 4,000, man. It's probably one of the best sells that we had. We sold all of our ETH. We announced it. We told everybody we were selling our ETH. 4,000. Poor follow through here. Okay, just chopping about. This looks like it can just roll over now. No trade here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless every single one of you. We're here every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading this crazy market, having a good time, making money. We've been crushing it lately. Everybody's been slapping up this chart. I mean, yesterday, great long. Day before, a couple of nice trades. So, really awesome. Really awesome. I love seeing you guys win. That's me, though. Rolling over here. Look for it to come down to the lows. Maybe we'll see if this can maintain its kind of bullishness right now. We'll see. If not, we come back up to VWAP, we flip it, and we go. No trade for now, so we're looking lower here. No 3-minute here. This is getting a little bit tight. Splitting hairs here. Looking down here. Looking for a breakout, retest, continuation here. Okay. The short, I mean, if we lose this low here, then we can look for the retest continuation down, okay? If this, then that. Anybody in the short? That would be nice. A nice little roll over here. Nothing too crazy, but a rejection off VWAP. The news came in pretty bullish in my opinion, so but I would like to see this bounce. Okay, we do have this uptrending momentum. It's very, very weak uptrending momentum. Head and shoulders here, whatever you're into. Right shoulder is kind of ruined from the news, but then again, we'll see. We'll see. All right, so we had up and down. We're pretty much flat on the pole. Try short. Not interested in it right now. We're basically in the middle of the range. Want to trade those buttons. Zena, good morning. Good to see you. Where's the pink hand? I don't see no pink hand, Zena. Elham, good morning. Alex is always happy he's like me. You lick windows? What? Oh, man. Rolling over here. You know there's some trap longs up here for sure. So. Bitcoin rolling over, baby. Nothing yet. How's the NASDAQ? NASDAQ's rolling over a bit too. It's to be a bit expected, especially after this move, right? We said this morning, Bart Simpson, come back, retest previous lows, continuation trade, right? We zoom out on Bitcoin, we can see the same thing here, right? So, continuation, roll over, right? We could look for this, right? Like if we SFP and then bounce, that's very possible. Breakout, retest, continuation, right? So right now we don't want to be getting into anything in the middle of the range here. It's kind of not going to help us at all here. We'll see if we bounce here. Continuation of the higher lows. Looking at our 1, our 2, our 3 hour here. So we have cooled off on our 1, trying to push back in, but money flow has come down after that retracement in here. Okay. The 2 hour. The 2 hour still has room to the downside. Okay. So cautious. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Rolling over. Rolling over here. Shout out to those who got short. Great job. Looking for the sweep of the low here. We've swept this low here, but I would look lower here. 81.3. Looking at 81.3. Getting some volume here, which is good. This is nice. We like volume. Lots of volatility in the market, so make sure you guys are using good risk management. Going to be critical. Could be looking long here if we do get reclaim bounce here. Get something along the lines in this here, and we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. The thing is, everybody gets a big old bag of hopium after something like this, right? And the humble pie is served quite quickly after. It's a pretty quick dessert. Yeah. That's a squeeze, right? The squeeze in the morning. So retest of previous lows right now coming up for continuation down. We'll see how it behaves here. No trade for me. This is sometimes I do take this trade in here. Hopefully everybody's having a nice Thursday. Their portfolio probably looks a lot better after yesterday. That's for damn sure. Getting a bounce here. Interesting. Here's your retest of previous lows coming in right now. So this would be a possible short setup. I'm not really interested in this one here. The dust is still settling from all this chaos, right? So are we going to come here or are we going to bounce out of here? We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out on the live. I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel, subscribing if you're new. We're here every single day. The Discord, on fire lately. Been crushing it. So if you do want to join the Discord, we'd love to have you. Long setup, short setup, CVO called the bounce, called the rotation up into the highs. I mean, incredible, incredible. CVO called the move here. We had the move, rotation to the highs, called the rotation. Before that, he's doing a live stream today, rotation from here up into the highs. I mean, constant updates from me yesterday. Keeping you guys informed, live streams, extra live streams constantly. Brewberry giving you guys all the setups as well. Looks like we're getting a bounce here on Bitcoin. I got to get used to this mouse. If you do want to come and take some trades, hang out with us, a beautiful family, a beautiful gang. We'd love for you to come over and hang out. There is a free section as well, so if you do want to just come and hang out, that's very active as well. So we'd love to have you over there as well. Bitcoin pushing up here. Holy smokes, Batman. Big old recovery. Okay. Coming into our VWAP. VWAP, wap, wap. I mean, there was no... I mean, you could go mitigation of the low here, I guess. That would be... you're splitting hairs, really. Splitting hairs. Can look for continuation. Up into this order block here, a little bit of a rejection. Yeah. Trying to hold the low here. We'll see how it goes. This volatility in this market is absolutely bonkers, man. It's bonkers. I lose my money. I'm sorry about that, Sony. Bullish or bearish bias? For me, I would like a little push first, but more likely rolling over. How we roll over, though, is anybody's guess. It's, I mean, getting short up in this, that would have been nice, but quite a squeeze. Like, if we're looking here, I would like a squeeze up into, at minimum, this high. But we do have big resistance up top here, so 82 is like a very big volume node above us. Okay, there's like a big volume node up in here if we're using a fixed range volume profile. So if we're gonna flip, that's great. We can look for this to flip here. However, what goes up must come down, right? So it's that idea as well, where it's like, okay, why would we just continue up here? And yes, we are flagging, and you can draw your pretty flags, whatever you're into. But right now, we got inverse head and shoulder. We also have a little head and shoulder here, right? We have this here. Trying to push out. VWAP has acted as resistance, so really stuck in the middle here. Don't want to be... we want to trade on the outsides, right? The outsides are going to give us the best moves and the best confluence to take those trades. Getting a nice push into here. That's a very lame SFP, everybody. I don't know about you, but I think that's quite lame. Why would they leave this guy here? That's my thought. But the higher term time frames definitely have room. There's room if we're looking at oscillators, which is not always the best after a big move like this, okay? But oscillators still have room to the upside, even though we have confirmed red dot here, right? It's just a washed mix up here. But we definitely have room to continue upwards here, bullish momentum after our anchor trigger wave here. So there's room to continue, but when we go into like a 1 hour, it has retraced, right? We're trying to bounce off the zero line coming in here, trying to push back, okay? And obviously after yesterday, the markets are pretty happy. Proof's in the pudding, right? Proof's in the pudding. So VWAP flip. I'm interested in that. V-shaped recovery into here, into VWAP. Possible rejection off VWAP. Okay, there's a bunch of options here. Just right now, it's like middle of the range. Don't want to get caught with your pants down, right? Maybe Mark does. Who knows? Mark, did you get caught with your pants down? Flag drawers unite. Let's go, flag drawers. Oh, man. Oh, man. SFP, right? This is SFP. Trying to push back in. Swing failure pattern, yeah. Swing fail, so it swung and didn't continue downwards. It just pushed up, right? So you have this uptrend, you SFP the low, and you continue upwards. I would prefer the SFP to be down here, but this looks like it might have legs up to VWAP. No trade for now. We wait. How's everybody's trading this week? Let's ask, because I know you guys are possibly Steve Ruggles in here. Capture the flag. That was fun as a kid, man. Or in Halo. What pants? Jake's doesn't wear pants here, if you were unaware. Pants are for sissies. Animals, man. Animals. I love it. Total otters in here. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. What's going on, caveman? HARAD. Magic Mike. Jakes. Alexandra G. Guile, good morning. James. Have a wonderful day, Maureen. Looking for the 1 hour to see the weekly open. Coming back down here. Can she go? Chopping about here. Chopping about here. SFP chopping about here. I would say push up into here a little bit, but could just be a rollover here. No trade. Yeah, no trade. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out. A little bit of patience after our inflation data, letting it bake, coming into 9 o'clock right now. Let's check our hourly. Hourly, no printing in here. Okay, continuation down for our hourly, so a little bit of a rejection. Our 30-minute. We still have bullish momentum coming in here. However, a big rejection down on VWAP. Okay, can this trigger wave push us back up? We'll have to wait and see. Green money flow still intact. Okay, our 15-minute too. It's always important, top of the hour, to always check your time frames because you get new information, right? So a little bit of a down wave here, triggered to the downside, red money flow. Okay, so suggested continuation on the 15 to the downside, however, could be coming into this uptrend in here, right? So if we do, in the next half hour, there's a possibility to push back. Overall, this does have a nice, this is a nice little downtrend. After a massive push, we could expect, price to return back down to retest previous highs. If we're zooming out, right, the typical idea would be this, is that you have broken out right now. right? So you've broken out, you come back, you retest your previous highs, then you continue out, okay? Very basic, but very effective, okay? It works really well on short-term time frames. It works just the same on high-term time frames, okay? We do have a bull flag forming here, trying to push. Does that mean we're out yet? I wouldn't say so. And it'd be nice to just catch the bottom and ride this up if it's going to happen. However, after a push like this, you typically look to recover halfway down the big push, okay? Down the vector candle. If you're a vector candle guy, there's your vector candle, okay? So be aware of that. Right now, stalling out. See if we can push up to VWAP. Maybe get a rejection. That would be nice. A little short from here. Back down into our SFP level. We'll see. We'll see. This looks like it's rolling. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out this morning. We've been crushing it this week, man. Everybody's been doing really good trading. See if we get a bounce here. This would be the bounce level that I'd look for to push back in, but if we're going to continue higher, if not, this would roll over. Push Bitcoin. Higher low, continuation here. Trying to push back. Still waiting. How's everybody's trading going? Let's see. And if you are new here, please say good morning. That's all we ask is for you guys to say good morning. I do appreciate a good morning. What do you think about the bull div on the daily? I mean, it's beautiful. They're always beautiful, but we are in a downtrend on the daily as well, so Do I kickflip? I know how to kickflip. I can kickflip pretty good, man. I used to skate. I mean, I was skating in Australia 3 years ago. I haven't skated in about a year now. But I can like back crook down like 5 sets now. Still, I can probably ollie 4 decks still. I can 3 flip. I can impossible. I like frontside big spins. I got some videos somewhere. I still got my skate and everything. This is some choppy shite, as they would say. Flagging out here. It's kind of uncertain, really. A little bit of patience will prevail. We got 20 minutes till market opens. We'll see how it behaves coming into market open. The SPY. Poof, baby. Oh, baby. I'm going to say gap down and then maybe a push back. That would be my guess. NASDAQ, double bottom, trying to push up. We'll see. We'll see, won't we? See if we can push here. Push here. Bitcoin looks like dog crap. Trapping traders. Long, short. Nothing I want to participate in just yet. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. I'd like to see that push up in the VWAP, but leading out, grabbing some late, like trapping longs up here for sure. You guys trading this week is up, 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 down, 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 wrecked. Yeah. Volatility can be your best friend or your worst enemy, right? Break even is good. Break even is a good place to be in a week like this. I tell you that much. See if we can get up to view up here. Trying to push. FG. Are you doing your push-ups again, bro? I don't know if you guys are smoking hopium, but you guys should be all subscribed to Flop and Groper, baby. Market Cipher family. FG, my man. Can we get FG to 5,000 subs, everybody? Can we all get a sub here, please? 5,000. 5,000 subscribers. What do you guys think?
Yo, what's up, guys? So
You're going to go over here. I'm going to give you guys a membership. If we can get him to 5,000 subscribers, I will give you a membership. I will do a giveaway. Go over here to this video. We'll do a giveaway for a membership. 1 month free to the Discord. If you go over to this video and subscribe to Flop and Groper, we'll do a giveaway right now. I want to see 5,000 subscribers here. Go over to this video. We're going to do a giveaway. My man FG. Market Cipher family. Let's go, Nick Cipher, baby. We're going to do a giveaway. Comment picker here for YouTube. The video's right here. Go and comment Otter Gang, okay? Otter Gang. Otter Gang on the video. Otter Gang on the video. Go over here. Otter Gang. All right? And subscribe to Flop and Groper. Come on, let's get him to 5.
So the rumor.
Come on, guys. Otter Gang on this video. Let's pump Nick's bags, baby. You want to learn about VWAP? Poof. I'm like the baby VWAP compared to FG. I'm still in the sandbox. Don't look too good here for Bitcoin. Bear flagging out, trying to pop up, coming into market open. We got 16 minutes till market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you guys go over to Flop and Groper's video over there. Comment Otter Gang. We're going to give away a membership right now. This ain't looking good for Bitcoin. Chopping about here. The NASDAQ rolling over. S&P about to gap down. Will it pop back up? Can it hold? Can it push? Go over to FG's beautiful YouTube. Go over to the video. please subscribe, and we'll give away that membership. All right. Otter. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here's the video. Get the comments. Grandmaster Ape, my man. He's already a member, so we're going to give you some money, bro. We're going to give Grandmaster Ape congratulations, bro. And give you some money, man. Grandmaster Ape, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go, baby. Our friend from Scotland. GG's. We'll get you that after the stream, bro. What an effing day, says Grandmaster Ape. Let's go, baby. Okay, we got 14 minutes till market opens here. Bitcoin pushing just now. Holy smokes. It's going, Batman. It's going to the moon. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears. Just chopping everybody up right now. No trade in here. Namaste from India. Thank you. Good to see you. LJ, good morning. Lasers, good morning. 14 minutes till market opens. Very choppy. This is just no trade in here. I can't tell it to move properly. You guys got to help me out here. Tell the market maker to do something with this price action, baby. The Nas trying to pop back up here. It's trying to hold. It's trying to hold. This looks good for like bottoming structure. We could see something like this where we push up and then flag out and then continue. Very possible. I like this on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin, we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to be overly... We're very much in the middle of a range, right? So we'll see how it is if it gets up to VWAP. That would be ideal. That would be the best, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Up or down? Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat for an up. Put a 2 in the chat for a down. What are you guys thinking here? We obviously had some decent news. Decent news, right? So I wouldn't say the news was bearish. 1, 2, 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. We got 1s in the chat coming through hard. Are we gonna get long then? Everybody's thinking long. Long dong silver. Long dong silver. I didn't watch that film. You did. Okay. Look at the push here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushing, baby. Coming for the highs. All right. Let's go. All you ones in the chat. Shout out to you guys. Did anybody get long off that? Say, I'm long dong silver. Let me see some long dong silvers in the chat. Tony, what is with the dongs coming into the chat lately, bro? Tony, what is with the dongs? I need to stop talking so much, man. I think that's the issue. We keep talking about dongs in this place. We're going to listen to music. Pump it.
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Bump it, baby. Now Tony can write down all his mistakes, everybody. He's got his Otter Gang Spiral notebook, trading journal. He can write, do the lines. Shouldn't move my stop loss. I shouldn't move my stop loss. I shouldn't move my stop loss. Coming up to VWAP for a slap. Nice push here for Bitcoin. My God. All right. We back in the business here. Pushing up into VWAP. We'll see if it goes. I shouldn't have moved my stop loss. I shouldn't have moved my stop loss. We got 9 minutes till market open. A big push here for the corn. My God, look at this thing. Up, up, and away. My God, if anyone's long, you guys let me know. I missed it again. VWAP slap here. Oh, man, that's momentum, though. You don't want to get in the way of this. How do you get a notebook? We have a new merch page. We just spent months on. What's going on, Billy? Billy's here to keep us under wraps. Let's go, Tony. Thank you for supporting the channel, bro. God bless you, man. Am I in a long, Billy? No, unfortunately not. I considered it, but a little bit unsatisfied with the SFP here, Billy. So we had the SFP. I was looking down here, man. We had an SFP here, which is kind of dog poop. So I was then we had the retest here. I said long here if you wanted continuation. And we got it, but no, there's no trade. Middle of the range, I would like to see. Depends on how it behaves here at VWAP, though. If we do get a nice rejection, Billy, we could be looking to come back down. However, we mitigate the high here. We look for the retest continuation here. So the long is down here if we're looking for continuation. The short is where we're at right now. Or we can look for a breakout retest continuation as well. Okay, so stacking up the trades here, just being patient. For those who did get long off of this absolute dog poop price action, congratulations. I don't know what justified that. Maybe you're looking at your CVD. Maybe you're looking at your DVDs. I don't know. Shorts are loading. Bro, when to take a trade? When it meets your criteria and your playbook and your risk management and your take profit targets. That's when you're taking the trade. When it all fits. Gotcha. Mr. Billy Goat Tails, my man. God bless you, bro. Piper, what's the update on the data or the data, whatever you want to call me? I am a data as well. Crypto Princess, what's going on? Good to see you. Ace winner, waiting. That's it, man. I will not rush a trade for a chat. That's for damn sure. I'm not interested in this short anymore. I like this on the NAS. We got 6 minutes, everybody. 6 minutes. China. What about China? Ooh, nice push here. This looks bullish AF, baby. This looks bullish AF. Don't trust it. Don't trust it. Was this a wick test? No. Right into market open too, guys. Woo, it's gonna be a fun day. I can already feel it. Are you guys excited? I'm excited, man. This price action is absolutely crazy, man. Crazy. We had like, oh, what a day yesterday. Kicking ass, taking names. My God. I had like, I think a $1,900 day yesterday. Whew. My best months of trading, Billy. Billy, I don't know. God's blessed me with some vision lately. I don't know. I'm just seeing it. You know, when you're just seeing it, it's like you guys play baseball. You just see the ball so clearly. It's like slow motion. The pitcher's throwing heat, and it just you know when it's outside. You know when it's coming middle in, and you just unload, baby. You just so crisp. You know, baby. If you know, you know. Just seeing it. You got to manage your risks, though. In this situation, man, even yesterday, we were talking in the Discord, okay? I think it was 7 trades the other day. 3 of them, break-even trades. Cut them. Okay? The other ones, $900 trades, $1,700 trades, $2,800 trades, okay? But if you're unsure, cut it, man. Cut it. Readjust, take another trade. Right? It's much better to get out break even than it is to take a loss. I'll put it that way. Your P&L will thank you over time. Just cut it, right? Your P&L, instead of, I'd rather it look like this than it look like that, okay? We got 2.5 minutes here, everybody. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, subscribing. If you are new, come over to the Otter Gang Discord. Would love to have you over there. Free section, paid section, whatever section you're in. Nosebleeds, front row. Retest the previous highs here. A little fake out into VWAP. I guess we should have shorted that, eh? Oof. It was right there for us. Should have shorted it. Damn, Daniel. Rolling over here. Damn, Daniel. My God, this is some choppy price action, friends. This is not something that I typically enjoy. But coming into market open doesn't mean we have to make a decision now. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to be in a trade. All it means is that we're observing here. I'm really curious to how we open on the S&P. I'm really curious. Like, are we going to gap down and push up? Are we going to? I would assume we gap down and push up, but I really like the look of the NASDAQ right now. But look at this. Come back and rug people, right? So didn't sweep the low in here. One second, I hear my grandfather. I gotta end the stream, guys. Sorry. Are we still all here? Yeah. Bad fall. I didn't miss anything. No, it's not okay. He's not okay. I'm gonna go, everybody. Sorry about that. If you could keep my grandfather in your prayers, I'd appreciate that. I gotta go. Love you all. Bye. Sorry about this. Bitcoin dumping.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.